Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we've got a little few things to do on the Fiesta. It was going to start off as a fit me splitter, but there's a few more things came and I'm just going to sort them out. So I've got lots of content to go in this one video, so it's exciting. Hopefully it's not stressful. Well, it shouldn't be because I've already done one of the things. It just broke, so I had to get it sent back out. We're on it, we're getting it sorted and should be able to fit it in this video. But I'm getting a bit of content out over the new year, so I just want to say to everyone, Happy New Year. Hope you've had the best Christmas. I hope you've got aspirations for this year and made New Year's resolutions, because it's always good to try and improve yourself, even if you get a bit stuck. Sometimes aim for the clouds, because if you miss, aim for the stars, because if you miss, you can't for the clouds. So there's a little wise tip from old Jacko. I hope you've had the best Christmas, best New Year, and I hope everyone is just happy. I hope everyone started the year happy. New videos coming. I've got new things to come to the channel. Car reviews coming out my ears. I just need time to do them, and then once they're done, we're just gonna be flying. This Fiesta needs a few more mods. It needs a little, I think it just needs another snail. I think it needs a hybrid turbo, because 350 brake sounds very good to me. Yeah, so we'll get into the video. I'll be going to the back of the car. I've emptied the boot, so I can do the stuff I need to do, and then we'll just crack on. So what I've got is, I have a HID kit. So as you can see here, I've got the HID kit. I'd originally fitted them, the HIDs, to the car. They're already on. It was before Christmas and then one of the bulbs went out. One of the bulbs went dead. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fit them again. But because I know how to do it, I'll do like a little tutorial of how to, and then at least I can make another video of it to see how to fit HIDs. So that's a little idea for that one. And then we've got this. We've got Maxton Design, baby. Got a new splitter to go on because the other one's cracked. I'll show you. It's kind of bad. Like, it cracked and then I fixed it with some cable ties because I was ordering that. Kind of snapped again and came off in the wind when I was driving to Liverpool. So currently, she's not pretty and it needs a clean. So I'll clean it and then we'll get cinematics of it, because I'm not going to do cinematics outside the house. But I hope you enjoy the video. A little bit of a mix together, and it might be a bit fun. We'll never see. I hope the quality's better because of the new camera. Well, what I say on that, because it's the first video I've filmed on a new camera, baby. We'll see what the crack is. I'm a bit hyped at the day. Doesn't matter though, it's fine. So as you can see, got a little cup on the back, that's where the headlights go. There's a little hole in there, that's just for the ballast to go through. What we want to do is get the bulb out from there, because that's what we're going to use, that little connector, to connect to the ballast. So there you go, that's the ballast in. Just need to wire that up to that. Sorry, the wire's in, the bulb's in. Just need to wire the ballast up now. A bloody bar. One of them in there. The car is minging, by the way, because I haven't had time to clean it since I come back from the road trip with my girlfriend. Oh no, copyright. Eee. Nearly got done. Right, switch is on. Let us see.
Where are you?
That's not a good sign. I think I know what it is. Get it back. Have a look. It is, right. You've got pins, these, and I think they're on the wrong way around. So give us a second. Good shit. Check it again. I apologise for the car, didn't it? There we are. She's on. I know I sometimes just profound myself with me. Nah, I'm even going to finish it off because that's cringe as balls. But it's on. One light in, boys. One light in. So I just need to fasten that one up. But I'll do that at the end with them both. I'll fasten them both up. I should probably turn it off, like. Turn the light off. Right. There's one done. Hello, mate. So what I've done is I've quickly just done the other one because it was faster for us to do it than filming. There we're gone. Both on. Obviously that headlight's not in properly, but it will be when I fasten them in. So we'll cut to that now. So that's the HIDs in. I'll give you a quick show now actually. I'll give you a quick show now what they look like. And then like later on, once the splitter's on and that, we're gonna get it cleaned and then we'll get some cinematics. Show you what it's like now, see what you think. Oh there, man. Pearly blues. Bloody light the street up like it's St James's Park. Now what we're going to do is we're going to unbox the splitter, look what we've got, and then start cracking on putting the splitter on. I only want to put a bolt in on one, like next to the wheel, and on the other side next to the wheel. I don't want, because if you crack it you're going to take your bumper off. So let's get to it, and I'm going to have to put the car up on some wood because it's too low problem, so I'm not jacking it up for that. Yeah, let's get to it. So that's that unboxed. I can feel the bolts and nuts and that, it's just in the top wrapper. So I'm going to get the old one off, get the car up, make sure I've got enough room, and then we'll go from there. Ooh, I can't really fit this. Cupra one, Cupra style front splitter. Love it. So that was pretty hard. What I've had to do is take the jacket up, obviously, use the Widowmaker. Hey, alright?
Hi. Okay.
Use the Widowmaker, and then they were bolted in, so nut and bolt was hard to get off, but now it's off. I'll show you. Which is off. There it is, half of it. So we'll get the new one put on, get it lined up, get it put on. Hopefully self-tap us, and it's not too hard to do because I'm running out of daylight. So what I've done so far is is I've drilled out the holes. Drill out the holes because that's where I'm going to put these little bolts. I only want 2 in the corners, which will be keep it enough to keep it on, keep it sturdy, and then I'm just going to self-top the rest in. I just don't want to go too far, like with how sturdy it is, in case I catch it and it rips the bumper off. It's already got a little crack in the bumper, so I'm just going to keep it safe, I suppose. But we're going to get that on now. I need to go and get a spacer because where the splitter came off on the last one, when it snapped, it put a big hole in the bumper, so I'm going to get a bigger spacer, put the bolt through, then not on the top. So I'll catch you up on the next bit. So that's the new splitter on. New splitter's on, ready to go. Put a bolt in that corner, self-top in here. And a bolt in that corner as well. That's it on there. Obviously we need to get some cinematics as well, so we'll see a better view of it then. It's getting dark. Tell you I'd run it at daylight, but this camera looks spot on for quality. Like, I can't wait to edit this video and see what it looks like. See you in the next bit. Cinematics. See you in the cinematics. That's the end of the video, that's the cinematics done. I've had to wait till it was light because I couldn't really pick now up with the HIDs, and in the dark you couldn't really see the splitter. But like I say, I tried as best as I could to do like an install video on the HIDs, but you can't really get the gist. If anyone's got any questions, just send us a message on Instagram or just leave a comment. But the splitter was a little bit harder because the old one was bolted on, but the new one went straight on, no bother. So I'm glad it's on. I'm glad the car doesn't look out of place anymore. I hated driving it when it had half a splitter on, but it looks great now, so I'm over the moon. But hopefully get some more videos out soon, and I hope the quality's good with the new camera. I haven't really sorted the settings on it, so but we'll see what it's like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.